Welcome to the mini memory album, pages 8 and 9. Today we will be using the stamps Mona Lisa, Life's Messages, Kate's Alphabet, and Lace Trims by Penny Black, and also their dies Tagged and Leaves. We'll be using Faber-Castell Tropical Gelatos and their new Mixed Media Mini Journal. I'm going to take the stamp from Life's Messages and use VersaFine Imperial Purple ink. Use an anti-static bag to rub over the area and then stamp firmly in the centre. Add clear embossing powder and heat to set. I'm now using the Mona Lisa die. I'm going to use a stamp positioner and I'm going to use VersaFine Olympia Green, but I'm just going to ink around the edge. These small cubes are perfect if you want to control where the ink goes. I'm now going to stamp it into my stamping block as a guide. And I'm now able to place that onto my journal page to line it up exactly where I want it. I place the stamp positioner back in, re-ink the stamp just around the edges again, and line up with the stamp positioner to stamp in place. Again, I'm going to add clear embossing powder and heat set. I'm now using the Margarita Gelato to go around the edge of the frame area. I blend in with my finger. I'm now using watermelon to do the centre. I'm leaving the middle completely white and then just pulling the colour in with my finger from the edges. I'm now going to use SRM sticker stitches. I'm having to use white because that's the only one that I have enough of to go all the way around the edge here, but I think it adds a nice effect. And then taking one of the stamps from Lace Trims and again using the VersaFine Olympia Green and stamping all the way around the edge. I'm now ready to start on my other side. Again, I stamp the lace trim all the way around the edge using the Olympia Green and heat set with clear embossing powder. I stamp the Mona Lisa image, more as a guide to where I want to put my frame when I've finished. Again, I've not inked up the lady. And again, I'm heat setting it with embossing powder. So now I'm going to take a scrap piece of card and ink the Mona Lisa stamp again just round the edges. Again, I'm going to apply clear embossing powder and heat set. And then I'm going to cut out the frame. And this is now ready to go on the actual main page. I then use gelato again around the edge. This one's Margarita, and blend in with my finger. I do that to both pieces. I then stamp the word photo here from Kate's Alphabet using VersaFine Onyx Black ink. And again use watermelon around the edge. And just carefully blend in with a wet wipe. I then use Cosmic Shimmer drawing inks. This one is Scarlet Blush. And I colour in the flowers around the lace trim edge. I do that on both pages. I then colour the smaller flowers with Peacock Teal. I then cut two branches from scrap card using the new Dancing Leaves die and a butterfly from the Tagged set. I colour the leaves with the bright green gelato and blend with my finger. I then go in and add leaf green to add a bit of shadow. I then colour in the little berries with the Peacock Teal drawing ink. They're now ready to position on my frame along with some Prima flowers. I add pearls to the centre of the flowers. I then use snow cone gelato and raspberry gelato on the butterfly and blend the colours together with my fingers. I use the red drawing ink to add some definition to the butterfly and a bit of a pattern. I then bend the butterfly and adhere to the frame. I then use light cobalt turquoise big brush marker to draw round the edge of the frame. And this now completes the pages. Thank you for watching. For further details and for more inspiration, please visit my blog at candronicocardcraft.blogspot.co.uk. Please visit my YouTube account to see videos for other pages of this album.